Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics system. That means if you want to build a powerful search mechanism for your application, you can use the open source Elasticsearch engine. And at the same time, if you want to use Elasticsearch as a data store for your application, but at the same time you want the primary data store to be the traditional database such as MySQL, MSSQL, Postgres, you can use the libraries available at the application level and let ES talk to your DB and configure your application to pull data from Elasticsearch instead of pulling it from the database. All this can be done with the help of Logstash using the Logstash JDBC input plugin. The key to the performance of Elasticsearch is its inverted index, and that makes it better than other NoSQL stores such as MongoDB, Cassandra, and so on. Let's talk a bit more about inverted index. Once we understand what an inverted index is, you will be able to understand the difference between inverted index and forward index. That's a vast topic, but we'll try to cover as much as possible. Inverted index is a method that creates indexes of each word and phrases to its location in a table or a document or a set of documents. What is an inverted index used for? Inverted index is used to perform full text searches, and it requires a lot of processing power as compared to a basic text search that is done using simple queries. For reference, I would say a database query is a very simple query that you run. It's not an inverted index, and hence it requires less processing power. There are two variants of inverted index. A record level inverted index. It creates an index or reference of each word present in a document. So for example, if I am storing a sentence or I'm storing a paragraph in Elasticsearch, every word is indexed and that is known as a record level index, inverted index. The second variant of the inverted index is a word level inverted index. It is very similar to the record level inverted index, but it additionally contains the position of each word in a document. Okay, it stores the position of each word in a document. This variant can allow search functionality such as phrase searches, but needs more processing power, of course, because each and every phrases can also be indexed along with the words. This table is a very effective explanation how inverted index works. So let's begin. Let's start from the right hand side column, that is the documents, that is written in red. To explain how ES implements, ES is a short form I have given for Elasticsearch. This is to explain how ES implements inverted index. We have added 5 documents, namely D1, D2, D3, D4 and D5. Each document consists of a sentence and there are multiple words, out of which some are common in all. The words colored in green, text at the center section of the table, are the unique words used in all the documents. ES has created this unique terms collection on its own. This is an automated process. Now let's check D1 and the row that belongs to it, starting from left to right. The word I occurred just once in D1, and the same is for other words such as like, to and eat. Now check D3. The word to occurs twice, eat occurs once, live occurs twice, and enjoy occurs one time. Now the role of inverted index is to consider the occurrence of a word in a vertical manner, that is through a column and not horizontally or row wise. Check the highlighted column in this image. When a search is performed, ES has an inverted index. So the column that is displayed here, this is how the indexing is done, and we call it an inverted index. And it knows the documents where the searched word are stored. When a search is performed, Elasticsearch already has an inverted index, like the way you see it in this image. I'm talking about the columns, the column which I have highlighted. And it knows all the documents where the words are present. So it skips all the other documents and pulls data from the documents where the word exists. This makes the searching so quick. This data structure and the searching algorithm powers a lot of search engines and finds matching records from billions of documents that are stored in their database, or in fact I would say Elasticsearch. Now this concept of inverted index is also powering Google. So you know the power of inverted index now. The first step is to start google.com. Go ahead and type install Elasticsearch for Ubuntu 22. I am searching for Ubuntu 22 because I have this version of Ubuntu. Now there are a lot of results on the page. Scroll down to the official website that is installing Elasticsearch. Once you open this website, you have a lot of options over here. Now we are not going to purchase or use any hosted Elasticsearch service, but I'm going to show you an option of self-managed Elasticsearch options. So as we scroll down, there are a list of Elasticsearch packages for different operating systems. I am using Ubuntu, so I have to download the DEB package, which is suitable for these operating systems, right? Debian based operating systems. So let's click on install Elasticsearch with Debian package. Now there is a lot of instructions on this page. You can read through these instructions. The first section, this section. I am going to take you all through the next section, that is import the Elasticsearch PGP key. Now what is that, we'll understand later. These are all the packages which are not available in Ubuntu by default. These are all the packages which are not available on Ubuntu by default. Hence we are going to install these packages from the apt repository and then go ahead and install Elasticsearch on my Ubuntu. I will start executing each command one by one. So let me copy the first command. So we are going to download few libraries from the elastic.co website. Let me quickly go ahead and open a terminal. I have the terminal open. Now as I have copied the wget command from elastic.co website, I will paste it in the terminal and hit the enter button. So we have this file on our local machine now. Let's copy the next command and paste it. Hit enter. Okay, the second command is successfully executed. Now these are the instructions that what happens when you do this. Okay, when you copy paste the command and execute it. So the third step is done. Now these are few instructions. Now you can read through these instructions, which is very helpful for you to understand what is going to happen and what is happening right now. I'm going to go ahead and install or execute the fourth command that will eventually install Elasticsearch on our local machine. Okay, while the Elasticsearch is getting installed, let's scroll down, okay, to take a look at other options. Okay, so if these commands doesn't work for you, the above commands, you can go ahead and check this option of manually downloading the Debian package and executing it. Okay, that is one option. Now this is very important. This is a very important piece of information. Start Elasticsearch with security enabled. So I have been working on Elasticsearch for a good amount of time now. I have seen that if you do not secure your Elasticsearch installations, it definitely gets hacked. I mean, there is a lot of bot which is which finds all the Elasticsearch installations online which is open in the network, and they try to hack it. So what is going to happen is that whatever documents that you're going to add to your Elasticsearch which is not secured, basically password protected, it will go ahead and keep on deleting all your Elasticsearch documents from the URL which is open. So it's better that during the installation, during the configuration, you do secure it with the password and do not keep the endpoint open to the world. So the current version of Elasticsearch, that is 8.5, gives a very good functionality of securing your Elasticsearch installation. That is, after the Elasticsearch is installed on your local machine, maybe it is your home laptop, or it is the server, it's one and the same. For Elasticsearch, the server can be your local, it can be any remote server as well. Once the Elasticsearch installation is over, it will give you a list of instructions on your terminal from where you're installing Elasticsearch. So I recommend that you copy and keep all these instructions somewhere safe in your Google Doc. Name the Google Doc correctly so that you can find it later. You have to execute few of the commands after installation so that you can update your password. You can connect your Elasticsearch with Kibana and do a lot of other things. So this piece of information is very important. You should copy and keep it somewhere safe. I have maximized my screen so that I can show you the instructions that I got on my terminal. So these are the instructions. Okay, this is the password that I got, the super user password, and these are the few important steps or commands, I would say, that we need to execute after the installation is over. So let's go ahead and install or execute these commands. Basically these commands are for Elasticsearch, so that whenever you restart your machine, or if you're installing it on a remote server, whenever your server restarts, Elasticsearch would automatically start whenever a system is restarting. Okay, so there is no chance that the system restarted and suddenly you get to know your application is down because Elasticsearch did not start up automatically. So let's go ahead and execute these commands one by one. Okay, I have executed the first command. This is the second command, and this is the final command which tells the system to start Elasticsearch automatically. So we have successfully installed and started Elasticsearch, but when we ran the last command, that is sudo systemctl start elasticsearch.service, it did not give us any output. Now everybody would be clueless of whether Elasticsearch has successfully started or no. So there is a command that we can execute, and it is very similar to the last command that we ran. So just replace the start with status, and you should see what the status of Elasticsearch service is right now. So it's active, and now we can go ahead and check Elasticsearch in the browser. So basically now it's time to connect to Elasticsearch Now, how do we connect to Elasticsearch? There is a very basic method to do it. Elasticsearch by default runs on port number 9200, and how you can connect it is with localhost. So as the basic authentication is enabled, and if you see on top, we have also received a password, right, for the super user. Now let's take a look at this statement carefully. Okay, so that we know that who is the user and what is the password. The generated password for the Elastic being built-in super user is, so the super user username is Elastic and the password is what you get on your screen. So I have done it over here. I have logged in successfully. Once you hit this URL, or let's do one thing, let's open an incognito. I've opened a new incognito mode. Let's paste this URL. If you see, because on local the TLS was installed by default during the Elasticsearch installation, so we will go ahead with HTTPS instead of HTTP. Localhost 9200, that is the port number. Hit enter. It will ask you for the username and password. So the super username is Elastic, and the password I will copy from the terminal. Okay, here we are. So now we have successfully connected to Elasticsearch on my local machine. So I hope that you all have understood till now. Go back in the video, wherever you have missed anything, go back a step, and then take a look at what is missing if it doesn't run on your local. Maybe some libraries are missing, the Elasticsearch installation wasn't done correctly, but if you find any issues during installation, do comment and I will definitely help you all. So we are at the end of the first episode of Elasticsearch videos. Now don't get disappointed. I am going to tell you all further how to use Elasticsearch in few applications, how to connect to Elasticsearch from your application that you're going to build. There are a lot of features in Elasticsearch that we can implement. There is one important feature that you need to enable when you're working with remote Elasticsearch connections. You need to enable Elasticsearch to get connected from any external source. So basically, if you're installing Elasticsearch on any of the online servers, right, remote server, so from your local machine, how can you connect to the remote Elasticsearch server? That I'm going to show in the next video. If you like what I shared, please like the video. For more episodes on ES and other technical knowledge related to programming, HTTP servers, Redis, RDS, AWS, Google Cloud, VPS, PHP, Node.js, some supporting technologies that will help you scale your web and mobile apps, and so on. The list will never end. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest updates from me. Thank you and see you in the next video.